This is a brand new 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 4.7-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless go, a sunroof, active ventilated and heated front seats, speed-sensitive volume controls, blind spot assist, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a twin turbocharged forced induction system, cornering lights, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and lane keeping assist. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, a first aid kit, rear seat child-proof door locks, a split folding rear seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Westchester for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 1260 Wilmington Pike in Westchester. We look forward to serving you.